This is how I preserve bananas for 2 years. They even taste better than fresh bananas. Sounds unbelievable, right? But really, with just one simple method, bananas can be kept for a whole year without spoiling or turning black. And they also have a rich, delicious flavor that is very unique and addictive. This is not a modern recipe, but an old trick used by many people in the past to keep bananas for year-round consumption without worrying about spoilage or waste. Welcome back to Great Tips. If you are someone who often buys a lot of bananas at once, you must have seen the scene where the ripe bananas start to soften before you can eat them, or throw them away. Sorry, right? So how to keep bananas bright yellow, naturally sweet and fragrant for a whole week, even up to a month or a year? In today's video, I will reveal to you each extremely simple step, easy to do at home, but surprisingly effective. Let's get started. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Tip 1. Banana pickle. We will start with 1 kilogram of bananas. Remember to wash them thoroughly with baking soda and water to remove dirt and residue. Then drain them in a basket. Next, cut the bananas into bite-sized pieces, to your liking. Also prepare chili. Where are you from? It's great to know we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Thanks for your support. Garlic. Black pepper to enhance the flavor. Each 700 milliliter glass jar will need about 2 cloves of garlic, 1 chili, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of salt, and the chopped string. All are placed in a clean, dry jar, then filled with boiling water. Then add 1 tablespoon of 70% vinegar. Next, prepare a pot. Add water. Place a layer of towel on the bottom of the pot. Put the banana jar in the pot. Turn on the stove and boil for 10 minutes. Then turn off the heat. Remove the pot and cover tightly, really tightly. Keep out any air. When done correctly, you can store these banana jars in a cool place, such as a basement or dark cupboard, for up to 2 years. And note, if you don't follow the steps carefully, the pickled bananas can go bad, so be careful. Tip 2. Wrap the banana stem in aluminum foil. Have you noticed that bananas tend to ripen too quickly, especially when left at room temperature? But with just one simple trick, wrapping the stem in aluminum foil, you can extend the shelf life of your bananas by several days. The reason is because the stem of the banana is where ethylene gas is emitted, a gas that makes the fruit ripen faster. When you wrap the stem with aluminum foil, the release of this gas will slow down, thereby slowing down the ripening process of the banana. The method is very simple. You just need to use a small piece of aluminum foil. Wrap the stem of each banana tightly, or wrap the whole bunch if the bananas are still intact. Then place in a cool place, away from direct sunlight. And that's it. This little trick not only keeps bananas fresher for longer, but also saves you money and prevents waste because bananas spoil too quickly. Have you tried this method before? Leave a comment and share your experience. Tip 3. How to place bananas to reduce damage. If possible, hang bananas with a string, because bananas are very afraid of being crushed. If you can't hang them, place them with the curved side facing down and the concave side facing up to reduce the contact area and avoid bruising. Important note: do not tear the banana peel. If it does, eat it immediately. Do not put bananas in the refrigerator. Why? There is an oxidizing enzyme in the banana peel cells, which is normally located in the cell membrane and not exposed to air. When the banana is deeply frozen or hit hard, the cell membrane breaks, the enzyme spills out, reacts with oxygen, forms a black substance, an ugly black spot. Therefore, the refrigerator is not a good place to store bananas. The ideal temperature is between 8 and 23 degrees Celsius, so just store them at room temperature. What about those bunches of ripe, fragrant bananas? Many people might just eat them right away, but wait! The riper the banana, the sweeter it gets, and it's the perfect ingredient for a super quick, super delicious snack. With just a few simple steps in less than 5 minutes, you'll have a delicious, fragrant banana milk cake, guaranteed to be loved by the whole family. First, peel the bananas. then chop them. Put the bananas in a blender. Add 2 eggs plus 1 box of yogurt. Blend until smooth like a smoothie. Pour into a large bowl. If you like it sweet, add a little sugar and stir well. Slowly add the flour. Stir until the mixture is thick and sticky. Now let's make the pancakes. Heat a nonstick pan, brush with some cooking oil. Pour the mixture in, spread thinly like a pancake. Sprinkle some white and black sesame seeds on top. For fragrance and beauty, grill each side for about 3 minutes until golden brown. And that's it! You can cut the cake into pieces as you like. It's best eaten hot. So we've just pocketed some simple yet extremely effective tips for preserving bananas. Which of these tips are you most excited about? Share them in the comments section so everyone can apply them. If you know any other cool tips, don't hesitate to share them. I'm always eager to learn more from you. If you find the video useful, remember to like and subscribe to the Great Tips channel so you don't miss out on these small but powerful tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting videos.